Guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get free Primogems in the Genshin Impact. No jailbreaker computer needed, guys, and this fully works. So let's get right into the tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. It works on iOS and Android. So the first step is to go to this website called HexMods. Once you're there, guys, just type in Genshin Impact, and as you can see, guys, it should come right up. So there it is, Genshin Impact. So press on it, press download button, wait for it to download. So be sure to try this out for yourself because it's fully working, guys. Super cool. So I will not download it in this video since I already did it, but that is the mod to get free Primogems. And if you go to the search bar and type in Genshin Impact, let's see if it comes up. No way. Oh my god, it did. So anyway, as you can see, if we go in-app purchases, you can see it's super expensive. So if you want to get everything for free, guys, be sure to try my method. It's fully working and everything like that. So you just gotta go to HexMods and then just type in Genshin Impact, and it should come right up. Bro, I can't spell. So be sure to try it out. See you guys in another video. Subscribe to the channel. But yes, super cool, guys. Fully works. I mean, if you're really poor in Genshin Impact, I don't know what to tell you. At least that's what I used to tell people. But now there is a method, guys. There's a working way to get free Primogems. So be sure to try this out for yourself, guys, because it's super cool. It's a fully working video for you guys. So if this video works to you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. I'll see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. This is super cool, guys. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. It works fine, so no jailbreak needed or anything like that. But I will see you guys later, so subscribe to the channel and get the word out, because this is super cool. I mean, I'm not really someone that wants to support this type of stuff, but I'm supporting it because Primogems are so expensive. So be sure to try it out for yourself. I'll see you guys in another video. Subscribe to the channel. It's super cool, guys. Totally working method. So this video works to you guys. Definitely go ahead and share it. I'll see you guys in another video. Subscribe to the channel. And peace out, gang.